What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and we got another video lined up for you today in our great, amazing, super Caudabe series. And in today's video, we're going to review two cases from Caudabe that I believe are new this year because it's the first time that I'm seeing them, and that is from the Paragon series. Okay, so these are the Paragon cases right here from Caudabe, and I'm very excited because these are going to be new designs, again, at least some new color cases from them. This is going to be a combination of a lot of bright colors with some functionality, so it's going to be kind of like a little bit more on the designer side. But look, I'm talking too much. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get these unboxed. We've got them in two different colorways today, and those colors are going to be we've got Moonstone, which is going to be one, it's like a white, and then we've got Seaglass. Without further ado, through some editing magic, 1, 2, 3. Like that, the cases are out of their boxes. So again, so according to Caudabe's own website for this Paragon series, this is going to be elegance and engineered. Basically, this is going to include MagSafe technology on the inside. You've got these metallic buttons similar to the synthesis and the sheath, but they've got a little bit of a different color theme to it. You do have ridges on the side to help with that, of course, grip on your phone, raised camera bump on the back. This is going to have an open cutout for your camera button. You got your microphone, your USB-C, and your speaker right there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the phone on so we can take another look around, and I'm gonna give you my first thoughts on these two cases from Paragon. Again, we've got it in Moonstone right here, and this is going to be Seaglass. First, we're going to check it out in the Moonstone. So with the Moonstone right here, let's take a look around first. So this is going to be two-tone, so it's going to have a pearl. It's more like a pearl, right? They call it moonshine or moonstone. I misspoke there. Moonstone, but it's going to be similar to a white, more like a pearl finish on the back. It is going to be, you could say glossy or a little bit smooth on the back. Then on the sides, again, you do have the contrast with that gray all the way around. Here's going to be our bottom right here. Taking a look at our microphone, USB-C, speaker right there, camera control button, cutout, oversized cutout to be able to access that. You already know that the buttons are going to be very tactile. We'll take a look at it in a second. On the back, you're going to have that raised lip protection for your camera. And then let's take a look at the front, because this is where it's going to be, in my opinion, this is my opinion only, different than the other cases, because it's going to have a slightly tapered edge. Okay, so basically with this case, it's going to go lower in the middle, but it's going to have a tapered edge at the bottom and the top right there, which is going to be that face down protection. So give you an ever so raised off of the maybe table or whatever it is you're setting your phone on. So that way it's not just sitting on the screen protector. So remember, lower in the middle to help with swiping, slightly tapered or slightly raised edge at the top and the bottom. Tactile buttons are always on point. This one actually feels really, really good on this case. Real quick for you, let's check out MagSafe. I'm gonna do something a little bit different than I normally would when I talk about MagSafe strength. I'm gonna bring in this little stand, and I'm gonna link this in the comments below. This is from MOFT, but let's go ahead and put this on the back right there. Make sure everything's lined up. We're gonna use this to kind of give this a shape. So it does seem like it's got really strong magnets on these Paragon series cases, and I'm shaking this actually really hard. It's not coming off. So let's go ahead and check it out in our other colorway right here in Seaglass. All right, here goes the exact same Paragon case, but in Seaglass color. This one is really nice if you are a fan of blue. I know on the camera it kind of looks turquoise, but in person, to me, it looks more on the green side. So just a heads up, again, on camera it looks more a little bit blue, but it's more on the green side. Taking a look around, you do have those nice reflective metallic buttons there. It's got a contrast with the color, the rest of the color of the case. Open camera control button. On the bottom, you are going to have that microphone, USB, and the speaker. Accurate cutouts right there. On the side, again, those metallic buttons that are contrasting the rest of the case, which is really cool. It actually looks really, really nice, y'all. Remember, you've got the slightly raised top and bottom lip for face down protection, which is gonna be really important for this case. Then I'm gonna do the same thing. Let's check out the MagSafe strength on this one. By the way, this stand right here is freaking awesome, and I think it's under 30 bucks. Again, I'll link it in the description there, but you guys can see I'm shaking this really hard. It's not coming off of there. So there you have it, folks. So what I will tell you is let me give you my honest opinions, okay? And I'm gonna bring in a comparison because these other cases from Caudabe are what I daily, more so than the Paragon. Again, these are new. I would think, to me, I'll kind of give you guys again my description. So right here, I've got another case from Caudabe, and this is my daily. This is my daily. This is gonna be, to me, very rugged, right? It's gonna have a lot of protection. To me, these cases, they're so nice. I probably wouldn't want to daily these just because I wouldn't want to scratch these up. The back is what I'd be concerned about scratching out. Again, just giving you a heads up. I will tell you on this one right here, I do see it picking up body oils and or fingerprints on the side there pretty easy. So another concern I just want to be open and honest with you guys about. So just if that bothers you, heads up. If not, go ahead and rock it. But again, these are just so nice. This is the way I would say it. This is the way I would look at it. These are my weekend cases. These are my Friday night, go out, date night, stuff like that. This is going to be my everyday, all day, all the time. You could take it, right? So again, dress it up. Very nice cases. But no matter what Caudabe case you're going to go with, folks, you're not going to lose here. This is a brand that I found a couple years back, and ever since I've discovered them, I've really enjoyed all the cases that they make. So let me take this out again. Today's focus of our video is talking about these Paragon. These are fantastic additions to their lineup. I highly recommend them. Check them out. As of this video right now on Caudabe's website, they are not on sale, but they are going for $49 each. They've got them in the two colors that I'm showing you right here, and they've also got it in eucalyptus, which is more of like a green, and also ember. So if you're a fan of orange, check out that ember. Their orange is actually pretty legit. It's your boy Bobby G. Thank you guys, folks, so much for checking out this video. Have a great day, and I'm out. Peace.